How are creators doubling their income seemingly overnight? Right now, over 50 million people are part of the $100 billion creator economy. The competition is fierce, and many platforms take a significant chunk of earnings. Fanvue has been gaining attention for offering creators higher revenue shares, flexible monetization tools, and features designed to boost income. In this video, we'll break down how Fanvue works, why creators are seeing dramatic results, and address common myths that might be holding you back. Stick around to learn how this platform is reshaping the creator economy and opening new doors for success. If you'd like to explore Fanvue, check out the first link in the description below. Fanvue is a subscription-based platform designed for creators to monetize their content. It operates similarly to platforms like Patreon and OnlyFans, where fans pay a monthly fee for exclusive access to a creator's content. But here's the kicker. Fanvue offers features tailored to give creators more control, higher revenue shares, and tools to better connect with their audience. This platform caters to a wide variety of creators, from influencers and artists to fitness coaches and adult content creators. Unlike some platforms that focus on niche audiences, Fanvue is open to any creator looking to monetize their work without sacrificing creative freedom. What makes Fanvue stand out is its commitment to transparency and its focus on maximizing earnings for creators. They offer creators 85% of their earnings during the first month and 80% thereafter. Compare that to other platforms that take significantly higher cuts, and you can see why it's becoming a go-to choice for many. But how does it work in practice, and what features make it so effective? One of Fanvue's main selling points is its flexible monetization options, which cater to a range of income streams. Let's break it down. First, there's the subscription-based model, which is the bread and butter of the platform. Fans subscribe to creators for a monthly fee, gaining access to exclusive content. This model ensures a steady, recurring income for creators, which is invaluable in an industry where earnings can be inconsistent. Next, Fanvue offers a pay-to-view content option. This allows creators to upload premium content, such as behind-the-scenes videos, tutorials, or personal shoutouts that fans can purchase individually. It's a great way for creators to provide added value without locking everything behind a subscription. Then there's the monetize direct messaging, an underrated feature. Fanvue allows creators to charge for direct one-on-one interactions with their fans, whether it's personalized advice, custom content requests, or simple conversations. This feature not only increases engagement, but also opens up another revenue stream that many platforms don't offer. These monetization options give creators the flexibility to decide how they want to earn. Whether it's through consistent subscriptions or premium content sales, Fanvue adapts to the unique needs of each creator. Let's face it, most creators are looking for tools that don't just help them earn, but also make their lives easier. Fanvue delivers on that front with a suite of features designed to optimize both income and engagement. One of the standout features is its integration of AI technology. From automated messaging to voice notes and advanced analytics, Fanvue uses AI to help creators streamline their work. Imagine being able to engage with your audience while having AI handle repetitive tasks like answering FAQs or sorting through fan requests. Speaking of analytics, Fanvue gives creators detailed insights into their performance. Want to know which posts generate the most engagement? Or how your earnings fluctuate month to month? Fanvue's analytics dashboard provides all this information in a clear and actionable way, helping creators make data-driven decisions to improve their content and revenue. Another reason creators are flocking to Fanvue is the platform's approach to content freedom. While many platforms impose strict guidelines, Fanvue is more flexible, allowing creators to explore diverse content types without fear of over-censorship. This doesn't mean it's a free-for-all. The platform still has rules to ensure safety and compliance, but creators have significantly more leeway compared to competitors. Finally, Fanvue offers round-the-clock support. For creators who rely on these platforms for their livelihoods, having a responsive support system is crucial. Whether it's a technical glitch or a payment issue, knowing help is just a message away can make all the difference. With these features, Fanvue aims to be more than just a platform. It positions itself as a comprehensive toolkit for modern creators. One of the most compelling reasons creators are seeing a significant boost in earnings on Fanvue is its creator-friendly revenue structure. For the first month after joining, creators retain 85% of their earnings, which then adjusts slightly to 80% in the following months. This approach ensures that creators are compensated fairly, giving them a much larger share compared to other platforms that take cuts as high as 30 to 50%. For creators with growing audiences or highly engaged fan bases, this extra percentage means that they can keep more of their hard-earned revenue, which, over time, translates to exponential financial growth. Whether it's a small content creator starting out or an established influencer, the impact of these higher payouts is immediate and tangible. Fanvue's onboarding process is another game changer, making it incredibly easy for creators to start earning. Unlike platforms with complicated setup procedures, Fanvue simplifies the process with instant ID verification, which only takes a few minutes. Within a short span of time, creators can begin uploading their content, setting subscription tiers, and monetizing. This streamlined approach removes the traditional barriers to entry, allowing creators to focus their energy on their craft rather than administrative hassles. The simplicity of the onboarding also encourages creators from all niches, whether they're switching platforms or starting their monetization journey for the first time. The impact of these features becomes clear when looking at the success stories coming out of Fanvue. For example, a fitness coach might use the platform's personalized direct messaging feature to sell custom workout plans, significantly increasing engagement and revenue. Similarly, an artist could leverage the pay-to-view option to monetize exclusive behind-the-scenes tutorials or limited-edition digital art. These tools not only create additional income streams, but also cater to specific audience demands, ensuring higher levels of fan satisfaction. Creators across industries, from musicians to educators, have reported dramatic increases in their earnings after transitioning to Fanvue. The platform's flexibility empowers creators to experiment with various monetization methods, and many have found their sweet spot, doubling their income within months. The key here is that Fanvue adapts to the creator's unique needs and audience, offering opportunities that other platforms often overlook. These real-world examples and hypothetical scenarios underscore why Fanvue is quickly becoming the platform of choice for creators looking to maximize their potential. By combining a fair revenue share, a hassle-free onboarding process, and versatile tools tailored for engagement, Fanvue creates a compelling ecosystem where creators can thrive. Whether they're building their brand from scratch or migrating from another platform, the opportunities for growth are undeniable, making Fanvue an increasingly attractive option in the ever-evolving creator economy. Switching platforms can be a daunting decision for creators, especially with concerns about losing followers or navigating unfamiliar interfaces. Fanvue addresses these issues head-on by offering tools that make the transition as smooth as possible. Creators can easily import their existing fan bases through promotional campaigns tailored to their audience, ensuring minimal disruption during the switch. Fanvue also provides features designed to help creators retain their audience. From intuitive platform navigation to flexible content management options, the tools make it easy for creators to settle in and keep their fans engaged. Additionally, Fanvue offers promotional support to help creators establish themselves. Whether it's targeted campaigns or visibility boosts, these efforts can make all the difference for creators starting fresh on a new platform. By addressing these common concerns, Fanvue ensures that creators can focus on what matters most, creating content and maximizing their earnings. As with any platform, misconceptions about Fanvue abound. A common one is that it's exclusively for adult content creators. While it's true that Fanvue supports adult content, it's far from the platform's only focus. Creators from various industries, including fitness, art, and education, thrive on Fanvue, proving its versatility. Another misconception is the presence of hidden fees. Fanvue operates transparently with no surprise charges that cut into creators' earnings. The platform's revenue sharing model is clearly outlined, so creators know exactly what they'll earn from their content. To clarify, this video is a sponsored collaboration between Fanvue and AI Uncovered. While it is sponsored, we've made sure to provide an unbiased breakdown of how this tool works. Our focus is on delivering accurate, research-based insights to help you understand how Fanvue operates and whether it's a fit for your needs. As creators demand more flexibility, transparency, and fair earnings, platforms like Fanvue are stepping up to meet these needs. By offering features like AI-powered tools, advanced analytics, and a creator-first revenue model, Fanvue is setting a new standard for what creators can expect from monetization platforms. Ultimately, Fanvue's impact goes beyond individual creators. It's shaping an industry where creators have the tools, resources, and freedom to succeed on their terms. As the creator economy continues to grow, platforms like Fanvue are ensuring that creators remain at the forefront, equipped to navigate the future with confidence. If you're ready to explore Fanvue, check out the first link in the description below. Now that you have an idea about what Fanvue is and its advantages, you might want to learn how to accelerate your success when it comes to creating and monetizing your own AI influencer. For that, you can get access to Imagine Education, which is an educational program that teaches people to learn how to create and monetize their AI influencers. Similar to Aitana Lopez. With Imagine Education, you gain access to like-minded people that want to grow their AI influencer, and they'll provide you with the tools, knowledge, processes, and support you need to achieve success with your AI influencer. As mentioned, Imagine Education can help you learn everything you need to know about creating and monetizing your AI influencer. The new program costs $47, but you guys can get a 50% discount by adding AI Uncovered at checkout. Here are some results from the community. So, if you're keen to learn more, check out the link in the description, and don't forget to get your 50% discount using the code AI Uncovered. If you've made it this far, let us know what you think in the comment section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.